So how to fix fail to fetch data on WorldCoin app. Now, first of all, you need to check the internet connection. So make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try opening a website or another app to confirm it's working. Now, after that, you can restart the WorldCoin app. So close the app completely and reopen it. This can fix small connections or loading issues. Or you can update the app. So go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for World app. If there is an update, tap update to install the latest version. Now you can clear app cache too. So go to settings, then app, then World app, then storage, and tap on clear cache. This helps remove old or broken files that may cause the error. Or you can try a different network. So switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or try another Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes networks block or slow down app data. You can check WorldCoin server status too. So visit WorldCoin's official Twitter or website or their community on Reddit too. There may be a server issues that is affecting all users. Now you can reinstall the app. So delete the World app from your phone and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play. This gives you a clean install and removes any broken file. Finally, if nothing worked from the above, contact support. So if the error is still shows, go to help center or support section in the app or the WorldCoin websites, explain the problem and wait for a replay. And this is how to fix failed to fetch data on the WorldCoin app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.